guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious Snickers stuffed dates. So these come together in only 5 minutes. It's the perfect healthy snack to curb that sweet tooth craving. It tastes just like a Snickers. It's super healthy. Each one has about 3 grams of protein, and they come together so fast. The perfect after work snack, after school snack. I absolutely love these. I'm going to show you how to make them. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be doing just a half batch, but I'm going to show you the ingredients for a full batch because making a half batch was a mistake. We ate them all pretty much in one day and then we had none left. So definitely make the full batch. So there's all of the ingredients that you need there. So we're going to start by cutting a slit into each one of our medjool dates. So careful when you're doing this, make sure your fingers are safe. Don't try to do this too fast. And then remove the pits from each of those dates because we do not need those. And then now that we've cut open all of our dates, the next step is to put a generous amount of all natural peanut butter in there. Now you can use smooth peanut butter or crunchy if you prefer. Smooth is a little better, but I had crunchy, so I used that. Now we're going to top them all with our little chopped peanuts. Again, I used salted chopped peanuts because I love salt, but you don't have to. So now that I've got those all topped, my dog wanted a little peanut, so I gave her one. And then I melted my chocolate in the microwave, just 30 seconds in, then stir it, and then back in for another 30 seconds until it's melted. So this melted in only 2 rounds of microwaving, so 1 minute, so it does not take long to melt at all. And then we're gonna take our dark chocolates. I've got vegan dark chocolate chunks that I melted here, and I think that's another reason they melted so fast. They were already kind of broken up. Drizzle over top of all those dates. You want to use up all your chocolate. The more chocolate, the better. We're gonna make these so chocolatey and delicious. And now that I have all my chocolate on, I'm gonna sprinkle them with a pinch of salt. I use my Himalayan pink salt here, and honestly, like, you don't have to, but I love salt, so I love that salty sweet combination. I think it's so good. So if you're like me, you definitely want to put a little pinch of salt on the top. Look at those ooey gooey delicious chocolatey dates. Now you can throw them in the fridge for 10 minutes to set them if you want, or you can just eat them right away. I mean, if you're making these ahead of time, why not store them in the fridge? And these make such a perfect snack. You can store them in the fridge for up to 1 week in an airtight container, but they probably won't last for an entire week because they are so good and it's hard not to just grab one for a snack. All right, it is time for the best part, which is the taste test. And I have my taste tester here, my chocolate lover. What do you think? Tastes like a Snickers? Would you eat all of them? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make Snickers stuffed dates. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.